National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 1:30 p.m. At 12:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilmette, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Hammond, Skokie, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, O'Hare Airport, Park Ridge, Calumet City, Niles, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Roseland, West Ridge, Lincoln Park, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lakeview, and Irving Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm